Today I'm going to lead you through a 15 to 20 minute beginner friendly yoga practice. This practice is designed for anybody who would like to try yoga for the first time or someone who's looking for a gentle, quick yet effective stretch. So before I begin, I want to mention that as I was recording this video, I intended to have the sound included as I was teaching and practicing, but the audio didn't end up working, so now I'm doing a voiceover. Also, please excuse my dogs who are part of the practice as well, and let's get started. Beginning in child's pose, you're going to have the big toes together, knees wide, hips back, and arms extended forward. Let's breathe here for 5 breaths, slowly softening the body with every exhale. Allow every breath you take to fill your body up with oxygen, and with every exhale you take, allow it to soften the tension in the body. Moving forward to tabletop pose, starting on the hands and knees, shoulders over wrist, hips over knees. Begin to check your alignment here, making sure that everything is in line. Gently engage your core, and you want to imagine lengthening the spine in opposite directions here, meaning the crown of the head is extending forward, the tailbone is reaching back gently. Breathe here. We're going to start now with a cow pose. We're going to inhale, arch the spine, look up if that feels okay with your neck. You're going to also tilt the tailbone here in cow. And as you exhale, you're going to come into cat pose, rounding the spine, pressing the ground away from you with the palms and the shins. Let's do about 4 more rounds here, going at your own pace. I will lead you through it, but feel free to follow your own rhythm. Inhale for cow pose, and exhale for cat. Round the spine, press the ground away, pull the belly in. Now come into cow pose, inhale, look up. Exhale for cat pose, rounding the spine. Inhale for cow, and exhale for cat. Round the spine, press the ground away. Inhale for cow, and exhale for cat. Now we're going slowly to create figure 8s with our hips. You're going to just draw the hips forward and back in a figure 8 position. Allow this movement to be intuitive and natural for you. You can close the eyes and just allow your body to find what works in this moment, helping the body release any tension here. Most importantly, you want to move with your breath. There is no right or wrong here, just allowing what feels right and going with that. Now when you're ready, go ahead and reverse directions. Go at your pace. Stay with the breath. Coming back to center, let's now take child's pose again. Big toes together, knees wide, hips sink back, forehead down, arms extended forward. Taking 2 breaths here. Preparing for a downward facing dog. Slowly begin to tuck the toes, lift the hips, and press the thighs back. And as we're here, feel free to do what feels right. I personally love to pedal my legs, bending one leg at a time as the opposite heel reaches down. Just do what feels right, getting out any kinks in the body. You can also sway the hips side to side. Notice where the spine feels tight and where it feels open. Now, creating stillness in down dog, take a moment here to focus on the breath, focusing on stillness, nodding your head yes, and shaking your head no. From here, slowly step the feet together at the back of your mat. Bend your knees, look forward, and gently walk forward to the front of your mat, meeting in a forward fold. Palms to the shins for halfway lift. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, chest down, relax the head. 2 more times. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, chest down. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine in opposite directions, and exhale, folding forward. And take your opposite elbows for ragdoll pose. You're going to bend the knees as much as you need to here to connect your torso to your thighs. Lean your weight forward towards your toes, allowing the upper body to fall over the lower body. Relax the shoulders, the head. You can tuck the chin closer to your throat here to release the neck. And sway side to side. Connecting to your breath. Notice if your mind gets distracted or if you are experiencing any criticism from your internal voices. I call it the inner critic. And send it some love. Allow it to be present here on your mat as you work towards your yoga practice. We'll take about 2 more breaths here in ragdoll pose. This pose is great to relax the upper body and also stretch the hamstrings here. Let's slowly release the hands and roll up bone by bone into a standing mountain pose. From here, inhale, lengthen the arms up. Grab a hold of the right wrist with the left index finger and thumb and bring it over to the left side for a side body stretch. Lengthen up through the side on the right side of the body. Breathing here. Engage the core, lengthening up through the spine. Avoid collapsing through the left side. On your next inhale, come back through center And when you're ready, go ahead and take the opposite side, exhaling as you lean over to the right side. Again, think about finding length as you reach up through the left side, growing taller up towards the ceiling, allowing that side body stretch to happen without collapsing too much on the right side. And inhale back to center, look up, exhale, fold forward, hands through prayer. Take a forward fold here. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen your spine, your chest, and exhale, fold forward. Go ahead and take plank pose. Walk the feet back, palms beneath the shoulders, and option to stay in plank or drop the knees. Inhale, shift forward, and chaturanga. Exhale, lower the body down to the mat. Inhale, cobra pose, lengthen your chest forward, shoulders reach down towards the hips. And exhale, let's meet our way back into downward dog, getting there in your most natural way. Down dog. Breathe here for 2 breaths. Let's look forward between our hands, and we're going to step the right foot forward between our palms. Feel free to get here however you need to. Right knee is over right heel, and your legs should still be hip width distance apart. Now let's go ahead and inhale, reach the arms up towards the ceiling. Engage your core. Breathing here. Tuck your tailbone under to lengthen the tailbone down to the ground. And continue to inhale and reach up through the arms. Exhale, hands down to prayer. Taking a twist, left hand comes down, fingertips are aligned with the right toes, and you're going to reach the right arm up to the ceiling for a gentle twist. Breathe here, and when you're ready, exhale, release the palm down, meeting in tabletop pose. Bring the back knee back. Inhale, shift forward, and exhale, come down to your mat. Inhale for cobra pose, lengthen the chest forward, shoulders reach back, and exhale, let's meet our way to downward facing dog. Let's go ahead and take the left side here. We're going to again step, this time the left foot forward between the hands. And when you're ready, drop the back knee down. Left knee aligned over left ankle, and go ahead and reach the arms forward and up for your low lunge. Inhale, lift up through the arms, and when you're ready, palms together. Exhale, hands to prayer. Plant the right palm down. Prepare for a twist as the left arm lengthens up to the ceiling. Feel that twist in the lower body, the rib cage, the chest. Breathe across the collarbones. And when you're ready, release to tabletop pose. Front knee goes back. Take your modified chaturanga, shift forward on the inhale. Exhale, release the heart and belly down. Cobra pose, lengthen the heart forward, lifting the chest. And exhale, this time we're going to take down dog just for 1 breath. Go ahead and now release the knees down and take a comfortable cross-legged seat onto your mat. And from here, we're going to bring the feet together, preparing for butterfly pose, heels into the groin. Grab the feet with the palms And think about inhaling, lengthening up to the crown of the head. Exhale, gently fold forward as much as feels okay for you. Close the eyes, release the back of the neck by allowing the chin to tuck closer in towards the throat. Relax the jaw, the shoulders, and breathe here. Let go of any thoughts of what you look like and just breathe with your body. Inhale, come up, and let's go ahead and place that left foot in the right inner thigh. Taking a nice hamstring stretch. Inhale, lift up through the arms, look up to your hands if that feels okay for you. And at your pace, we're going to go ahead and fold forward. Taking the stretch, you can always bring the palms down by the sides of the right knee here. Maybe your palms come to your feet. Either way, close your eyes and breathe here. And allow yourself to let go of any judgments about how deep you are in each pose. Know that it's more about how consistent we are with our practice rather than how intense every pose is. Okay, inhale, come back to center, and let's go ahead and switch sides. Bring the right foot to the left inner corner. Face the heart to the left foot. Inhale, lengthen the arms forward and up. And at your pace, you're going to exhale, fold over that left leg. Again, allow the shoulders here to relax, soften the jaw, the eyebrows, the face, and just breathe. Feel that stretch and the gentle twist happening here in your lower belly. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen back up to center. And let's close our practice here in a cross-legged seat. Inhale, reach the arms open and up. And exhale, palms down to heart center. 2 more times to seal the practice. Inhale, arms open and up. And exhale, hands to prayer. Last one. Inhale, really reach out through the fingertips. Arms up, palms meet. And exhale, hands to prayer. Go ahead and close the eyes. Bow your head down to your heart. And allow yourself 3 breaths here, connecting to your heart space, your body, and your mind. Thank yourself here for setting a time for yourself to connect and to breathe. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.